Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to all people watching. My name is Nur Auni Hanani. I'm studying at SK Kemudak Segamat Johor. Today, I'm talking about my favorite storybook. The title of the storybook is Annie and Treasure. This book is written by Malinia Lasius. The stories begin with the ants were gathering food. They carry the food to a mound, which was their home. The mound is located in the garden behind a house. Annie ant was working alongside the other ants. She was trying to lift a grain, but it was too big and heavy for her. How I wish I was as big as the other ants, Annie thought. Then I will be as strong as they are. Need a hand, Annie? That's look too heavy for you, said Eddie, a big ant. No thanks, I can manage, Annie replied. Don't be a fool, Annie. Here, carry this one instead, said Eddie, passing a smallest grain to Annie. Annie had no choice but to give in. She took the smaller grain from Eddie. She watched in dismay as Eddie lifted the heavy grain easily. The other ants grinned at her. They must think I'm usual, Annie thought. The next day, the ants came out of their nests to search for food as usual. It was a cloudy day. The rainy season is finally here. I think it may rain later today, said an elderly ant as he looked up the sky. As usual, Annie was among the other ants. She decided to go to the edge of the garden. The other ants rarely went there. They were afraid of getting stomped on by the human children living in the house. Not far from the edge of the garden, Annie saw something. When she got closer, her eye opened wide. There, right in front of her, was a pile of small candy, spat from a packet. Annie couldn't believe her luck. Annie knew that she should tell the other ants, but wait a minute, I found this. I should be the one who carry all of them home. Then everybody will know that I am not as usual as they thought. Annie lifted a candy. It was lighting enough for her to carry. I think I can carry too, Annie thought, and tried to lift other candy. Sure enough, she could carry them, but the load was much heavier than. Annie could not walk fast because of the heavy load. Suddenly, lightning flashed in the sky, followed by rumbling thunder. Oh no, it was going to rain. Annie was only halfway home, and there were still many candy to carry back. What am I to do? Annie thought. Annie made it home just in a minute. Annie, where have you been? We are all worried about you, Eddie explained. And where did you find this? Annie bowed her head and told them about the candy that she had found. She regretted not telling the others about them. Now the candy will be ruined by the heavy rain. It's all right, Annie. You're safe, and that's what matters. However, remember that ants are at their best when they work together, Eddie said. The next day, it was cloudy, but there was no rain. The ants went back to where Annie found her treasure to check on the candies. To their surprise, Not all of the candies have been spoiled by the rain. Working together happily, they carry them back to their home. That's all for me. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoy my storybooks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.